If you are looking for how you can copy your Instagram profile link, then open the Instagram account on your mobile and then head to the profile picture. Tap on the profile picture and click on the edit profile. Now copy the username, Control A and Control C, and Control A will select all your username. And now open the Chrome browser and type instagram.com and type backslash and Control V to paste your username and then hit enter. And now it will be redirect to your Instagram account. And now click on the address bar. And now click on this icon, copy icon, and you will see that here your profile Instagram account is copied on the clipboard. Now you can head to the anywhere and paste it. For example, if you paste it on the Google Chrome and hit enter, now it will be routed to your account. So this way you can easily copy your Instagram account and send to your friend list. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.